shit. It was, shit. It's about 5:43 in the morning. We're in Columbia. Went out. Kicked a little bit. George is in town. Mizzou gonna put the beat down on them dogs. Feel me? No, but this is a little something off the record. Hey. Motherfuckers always talk about how I snore. Which, I guess I do. I don't know. I'm asleep. Alright, but my boy Troy, you can probably hear him from here. Hold on, listen. Oh yeah, that's a human. Yeah, right now I'm at my boy Jason crib. Appreciate it, Jay. Let us stay. But hold up. Let me get a little closer to this cat so y'all can hear this shit for real. Hold up. Let me get up. Alright. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm serious. Alright. You talking about, motherfuckers say some cats be sawing logs? Shit. Listen to this cat. Yeah, you can't see him. That's my boy Troy up under there. Damn. Hold on, let's go check on our meat. Our meat be snoring like a motherfucker too. See what our meat got going on. Man, that cat look like he's waking up. My army snore too, but damn. Troy? Oh my gosh. Hold on, let's go back to it for a second. Let me get you close up to this shit. Just listen. Yeah. Like I said, motherfuckers say, I snore? Yeah, I just tripped on my phone. If this shit upside down, I apologize, but you get the message. Alright, man. I'm going back and lay back down. Got a football game to go to today. Peace.